So, good morning, all of you. Welcome to the Sharad Purnima. So, how many of you waiting for the Sharad Purnima meditation? Because every full moon is special, but Sharad Purnima full moon meditation is different. So, who are doing from past 3 years అంటే నా నుండి 3 years నుండి ఎవరైతే చేస్తున్నారో ఆ, వాళ్ళందరికీ తెలుసు ఫుల్ మూన్ యొక్క విశిష్టత ఏంటి, ఎందుకు చేయాలి అనేది. సో టుడే we are doing the Sharad Purnima full moon meditation, and this moon is very very special to everyone because in the year this is the very brightest full moon, and it come to the closer to the earth. అంటే భూమికి చాలా దగ్గరగా వస్తుంది అనమాట. So go and observe the full moon, and you can see that brightness, right? And in Navaratris also we done the Lalita Shastranamanamal, right? So in that also it's very clearly explained. Every full moon, if we can read the Lalita Shastranam Parayana, it will increase that energy, means that Parayana energy, and uh, describe the Sharad Purnima, especially Sharad Purnima. అంటే శరత్ ఋతువులో వచ్చేటువంటి శరత్ పూర్ణిమ యొక్క విశిష్టత అందులో క్లియర్ గా చెప్పబడింది అనమాట. బికాస్ ఇట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఎ హ్యూజ్ ఇంపాక్ట్. అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద శరత్ పూర్ణిమ? సో అవర్ టాపిక్ ఈస్ బికాస్ సైంటిఫిక్ రీజన్, రైట్? అండ్ so our topic is Sharad Purnima. Sharad means we know that is the Rutu. In India, we can call the Rutu, and it's a Sanskrit word. Okay, and autumn. Exactly in Sanskrit word, that is the autumn season. The season is for clarity, renewal, and purity after the rains. So now we are almost all ending the rainy season. Okay, last to last. So that's why just as the sky is clear, so same thing happened to the earth also glows. Means ఫుల్ మూన్ యొక్క క్లారిటీ ఎంత ఉంటుందంటే దాని యొక్క రేస్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆల్ వీ కెన్ సీ లాస్ట్ 2 months ఫుల్ మూన్ వీ కాంట్ అబ్జర్వ్, బట్ నౌ ఇట్స్ వెరీ క్లియర్, చాలా క్లియర్ గా ఉంటుంది అనమాట. సో వీ కెన్ అబ్జర్వ్ దట్ గ్లో ఎవ్రీథింగ్, అండ్ దట్ ఫుల్ మూన్ క్లియర్స్ ద ఇన్నర్ క్లౌడ్స్ అండ్ రివీలింగ్ ద లైట్ ఆఫ్ డివైన్ కాన్షియస్నెస్. అంటే ఎంత డార్క్ ఉన్నా కానీ తర్వాత వెలుతురు ఉంటుంది అనేది ఖచ్చితంగా చూపిస్తుంది అన్నమాట. And we can call it in different names. Kojagiri Purnima in different regions, in different places. Okay, but every place have their own means. Kojagiri Purnima is related to the harvesting, right? Sharad Purnima we can say in Odisha in different names. So we can call them different names, but it's a full moon only. And we have the two reasons. One is the scientific reason, and another one is the spiritual reason. And for the scientific reason, in meditation I am going to explain the spiritual reasons, but in the scientific reasons now I am going to just share the screen, because everything is related to the two reasons. And how many of you now cleansed your area? మీ ఏరియాని ఎంతమంది క్లీన్ చేసుకున్నారు మెడిటేషన్కి? అండ్ అలాగే వాటర్ ఛార్జింగ్, ఓకే, మీరు సిప్ చేసేటందుకు. దీస్ ఆర్ ద మ్యాండేటరీ థింగ్స్. Every time, not only this meditation, any meditation practice, we need cleansing process at least before participating. Scientific perspective on the Sharad Purnima. Okay. So first thing is why we are doing the full moon meditation again and again. Every time we are doing, right? So first thing, all of you know that full moon light is influence our biological circadian rhythm, means body clock. natural body clock system. That's why in means before 30 years also, so most of the members we can follow that circadian rhythm. Okay, at least to 10:30, 10 o'clock. But nowadays it's going to be increased. And already full moon rises in the evening time only, sometimes 6 or maybe sometimes 7. So this helps synchronize sleep pattern. అంటే మనం పడుకునే అటువంటి స్లీప్ ప్యాటర్న్ ఉంటుంది. డీప్ స్లీప్, ఓకే, ర్యాండమ్ స్లీప్. సో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ కనెక్టెడ్ స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్. Hormones and emotions, promoting the calmness and clarity. But we are missing nowadays. We are not going almost till 12 o'clock. 11 is the very less time. Okay, 12 o'clock, almost all, most of the members. I'm not saying for everyone, most of the members. So they can later have that hormonal issues, and also uh, without balancing the emotions and sleep pattern. Okay, means without sleep, insomnia, like patterns. And the pineal gland, okay, this is a master gland which secretes the melatonin. Melatonin is one type of hormone. Okay, it's promote our light sensitivity and gently regulate means we can feel that sleepiness when we can do the darkness, when we can see the darkness, we can feel that sleepiness, that coziness that forms from the pineal gland, because pineal gland is activated and it will produce that very tiny amount of melatonin, but it promotes the sleep. Okay, so if you are doing work, you are doing everything, but you are not going to the proper sleep, that is the waste. That's why in circadian rhythm, 12 hours per hour day work and 12 hours for the sleep. But in the 12 hours also, what we are doing before, okay, 5 hours. We are reading books, or maybe we are, how we are aligned with the uh, dark activities, okay. Like reading books, we are cooking, okay, we are finishing our dinner, like that. Moonlight exposure gently regulate it and improving the sleep quality. అంటే మనం ఎప్పుడైతే ఖచ్చితంగా దాంతో వెళ్తామో మన స్లీప్ క్వాలిటీ అంటే చాలా గాఢమైనటువంటి నిద్ర సరిగ్గా ఉంటే హార్మోన్స్ రీసెట్ బ్యాలెన్స్. మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద మెంబర్స్ కమైండ్ ఆస్క్ మీ, not only me, maybe everybody, coaches, every coaches face it here. So everybody want to improve their health, or maybe weight loss, or maybe hormones, but most neglected area is the sleep quality. They can't see the sleep quality, but it automatically jump into the diet pattern and another pattern. Okay, next one is the cooling and hydration effect. So already we are explained in the when this month is entered. So after monsoon, okay, this is the rainy season also finished. Body heat means that is in the Pitta Prakriti. It is automatically increased. So you can look at now, most of the members have the cough issues. Okay. The cooling wavelength of moonlight is the 450 to 470, means blue light. So internal, it will help that internal body heat. అంటే ఆటోమేటిక్గానే ఇంటర్నల్ ఉన్నటువంటి బాడీ హీట్ అనేది తక్కువ అవుతుంది అనమాట. సో దట్స్ వై వీఆర్ గివింగ్ దట్ key charging, okay, for the moon gratitude, moon like that milk key, okay, and also in one of the reason hydration. So it will help that soothing digestion, calming the nervous system. That's why we can offer to the god, okay, means we can offer to the moon and we can have it everyone. So it help to improve our digestion, soothing of our digestion. Next, silver and water ionization. So what will be happening if we are keeping in the silver bowl if available? Otherwise, you can keep it in a glass bowl also. If, but anyone have this silver vessel, that is the best thing under the moonlight. Means automatically silver have the antimicrobial and cooling properties. Then we can wear our anklets or maybe bracelets. That is also provide the cooling effect. But when we are kept in the moonlight, so that is ionization. water molecules mean that is the one chemical reaction through the water and the moonlight. Everything is science. So enhancing that energetic purity and medicinal quality of the food. That's why I'm saying every time you can keep in a glass vessel. మీ దగ్గర ఏదైనా గ్లాస్ ఉంటుంది కదా దాంతో పెట్టొచ్చు అనమాట. సో గ్లాస్ వెసిల్ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ రియాక్షన్ బట్ ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ హ్యావ్ ద సిల్వర్ వెసిల్ జస్ట్ యూ కెన్ కీప్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ఏ సిల్వర్ వెసిల్. దాని యొక్క క్వాలిటీ అనేది ఇంప్రూవ్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. ఇంకా ఏం లేదు. దాని యొక్క అయనైజేషన్ అంటే అబ్జార్ప్షన్ రేట్ అనేది ఇంకా ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. బికాస్ ఎవ్రీ ఎలిమెంట్ హ్యావ్ ద డిఫరెంట్ అబ్జార్ప్షన్ కెపాసిటీ. దట్స్ వై. And frequency resonates. So why this is resonates? Because our body also almost 70% water. Okay, so when we moonlight carries that low frequency vibration, and automatically what will be happening, that harmonize our body. That's why that wave, that vibrational effect on our emotional waves. And if we can do the meditation, automatically that will control the reduce and stress and increase that calmness. If you are feeling calmness, that will be increased. But if you are feeling like chaotic, like worry or anything, that is also automatically increased. So moonlight is a natural coolant, emotional balancer, and energetic cleanser. That's why every month we are doing the natural cleansing, full moon meditation, and we are balancing our hormones and the natural emotional system. But if you can think like that, so many people, they don't know about the meditation or anything. Yes, exactly. They don't know the meditation, but they know the activities. They know the many things. Okay, you can observe it to your home. Maybe you have the grandma or any parent, so you can just ask and know about them because they can do the certain rituals. They can follow the circadian rhythm, everything. బట్ నౌ టుడే వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ ద కాన్షియస్ మెడిటేషన్. ఎందుకంటే మనం చాలా అవేర్నెస్గా ఉండి మెడిటేషన్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసినప్పుడు దాని యొక్క ఎఫెక్ట్ అనేది చాలా ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది అనమాట. సో నౌ లెట్స్ సీ ద మెడిటేషన్ ప్రాక్టీస్. మెడిటేషన్కి కూర్చోండి.